Hi everyone, I've got an absolutely fantastic opportunity here today on DOVELEYS Road in Salford to show you this fantastic bay-fronted 2-bedroom terrace property. Beautifully presented throughout, as you can see walking into our entrance hallway. We've got panelling which is following up the stairs, and we've got a runner as well. So coming through, the first room is our bay-fronted lounge, which is a really good space. Again, internally beautifully decorated throughout, and then coming through to our dining room here with French doors opening up to the rear. Beautiful features. We've got our air rack there as well, leading through to the rear of the property, which houses our kitchen. So we've got very good size here, mixture of wall and base units with plenty of storage, and we've also got further storage just in that cupboard there. Nice modern kitchen, beautiful sink there as well, and then leading out the back into our enclosed rear yard. And going to our first floor, we've got two very generous sized double bedrooms, and then we have our bathroom and a separate WC. So we are on DOVELEYS Road, which is a very popular residential area, close to lots of fantastic transport links, well kept local parks and schools, lots of amenities nearby as well. So the front of the property has our main bedroom, two windows bringing in lots of natural light, and the property is all double glazed and gas central heated throughout. So again, we've got a fantastic sized bedroom and our beautiful landing. Black banister there, and again that panelling which has followed us upstairs. Our second bedroom, which is overlooking our rear yard. Plenty of space in here, currently used as an office and a guest bedroom. And then completing the property, we have our newly fitted shower room. Got tiled floors and tiled walls there as well, so we've got a large walk-in shower there, our floating sink, and our separate toilet with a sink there as well, which is following the same theme. So this has been a fantastic 2-bedroom bay-fronted terrace property on DOVELEYS Road. If you would like to arrange a viewing, please call our office on 0161 707 4900.